time you get on this flight today from Munich to Palma de Mallorca. We have now reached the cruising altitude of 37,000 feet. This is equal to about 11,300. Presently we are in the area of Zurich. The first routing is via Marseille. We'll reach now the Mediterranean Sea and fly direct to Palma.